Income that is generated by activities that are not directly involved is known as passive income. There isn't much of a learning curve when it comes to using a cryptocurrency investment plan or platform. Fixed and predictable revenue can be found in several situations. In other people, there may be a variety of reasons that are out of your control. Hodling, or buying and holding crypto, is a popular method for making money in the cryptocurrency market with little to no effort. This indicates that an investor is willing to buy a digital asset with the expectation that its value will rise greatly in the future. If you're one of these long-term savers, you're ready to do whatever it takes to keep your assets in good shape over the long run. An investor does not have to be involved in the crypto market at all during the duration of this investment. The only thing they need to do is purchase the digital asset and deposit it in a safe wallet, preferably one that is not controlled by them. In order to access your cryptocurrency, a wallet is a device or piece of software that stores a unique key, the private key. If you choose a non-custodial option, you can keep your private key on your computer, smartphone, or wallet. Your digital assets and private keys are in your entire hands now. A custodial wallet, by contrast, gives a third-party control over the wallet's private keys. You may be able to gain money simply by buying and holding a crypto asset for any amount of time. In fact, you may end up losing money. As a result, cryptocurrency hodling is not genuinely a passive income source. Passive cryptocurrency earning sources. A staking system based on proof of stake. In a sense, proof of stake is a consensus method for the blockchain that allows participants on a dispersed network to come to agreement on new data being added to the blockchain. Randomly selecting participants and elevating them to the position of auditors and rewarding them for their contributions is the norm for blockchains. From the pool of users that have staked the blockchain's native digital currency, the blockchain selects validators. It is possible to delegate your stakes on a proof-of-stake blockchain to other users who are ready and willing to assume the technological requirements. Validators are paid more than other types. Investing in digital assets that pay interest. The idle digital assets of cryptocurrency miners can be used to earn interest. If you choose not to keep your digital assets in your wallets, you can deposit them in these accounts and earn interest at predetermined rates on a daily, weekly, monthly, or annual basis. Think of it as depositing money into a bank account that pays interest. Among the crypto service providers who give these items are Nexo, Celsius Network, Swissborg, BlockFi. Lending. Customers are increasingly taking advantage of crypto loans. Lending your digital assets to borrowers is a way to make money. There are 4 primary ways to obtain a loan. Loan amounts, interest rates, and other parameters can all be set by the user on these sites. Similar to P2P trading systems, this one links lenders and borrowers. They provide consumers some control over their money through these crypto financing programs. Put your digital asset in the custodial wallet of the loan platform first. Loans are centralized. The interest rates and lockup periods are also fixed. To begin earning money, you'll need to transfer your crypto to the lending platform just like you would with a P2P lending site. Direct lending without a central bank. There are no intermediaries required in DeFi lending, unlike P2P lending and centralized lending. They instead use smart contracts, which automatically and frequently establish interest rates. Finally, you may choose to lend your crypto assets to traders who wish to trade with borrowed money. This type of trader borrows money and then pays it back, all the while accruing interest. Most of the work is done by crypto exchanges in this case. Simply make your digital material available to the public through your website or social media channels. Margin lending. Your crypto assets can be lent to traders who want to trade with borrowed money. These traders borrow money to boost their trading position and then pay back the money they borrowed plus interest. The majority of the labor is done for you by the crypto exchanges. It's as simple as putting your digital asset on the market. Cloud mining. For some blockchains, people are required to prove their eligibility to be validators, also known as miners, by solving extremely tough mathematical puzzles. Crypto mining is the term for this process. Due to the competitive nature of the consensus mechanism, mining demands powerful computers and hefty electricity costs. Mining cryptocurrencies takes a lot of effort and expertise. It is possible to outsource the technical aspects of cryptocurrency mining to a third party. Due to the mining project's remoteness, there have been a number of scams. As a result, you should do your research before making a decision like this. Tokens that pay out dividends. Token holders may receive a portion of the company's earnings if they possess one of these tokens. There is an example of this in the form of KuCoin shares, or KCS, in which the holders receive a daily share of transaction fees accrued by the blockchain-based asset exchange KuCoin. Each staker receives a percentage of the total quantity of KCS tokens he or she owns. Farming for yield. Yield farming is another DeFi method of passively generating cryptocurrency revenue. Users do not compete with brokers or other traders in this environment. Liquidity pools, which are smart contracts that allow investors to deposit funds, are used instead. Fees paid by the pool are distributed to the liquidity providers in proportion. To make passive income through this process, you must first become a liquidity provider, or LP, on a DeFi exchange like Uniswap, Aave, or PancakeSwap. To begin earning these fees, you must deposit a specific proportion of 2 or more digital assets into a liquidity pool. You must deposit both ETH and USDT tokens into an ETH/USDT pool in order to provide liquidity. Tokens representing your share of the liquidity pool are given to you by the decentralized exchange once you deposit liquidity. When these LP tokens are supported by decentralized lending systems, you may then stake these tokens and receive interest. One deposit can yield 2 distinct interest rates using this strategy. You may make money from your idle digital assets in a variety of methods, some of which we've covered here in this guide to passive crypto income. Consider that none of these opportunities comes without a certain level of danger. You should thus conduct your own research and seek the assistance of an accredited financial advisor in order to determine what investment strategy is most likely to accomplish your goals. So, this was our video for today. You liked our video? Tell us in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share our channel. Goodbye.